Good morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumular Siddharpeedam Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now, what are the Pancha Kleshas? 5 Kleshas. There are 5 afflictions of the mind. There are 5 distorters of your mind. There are 5 sources of stress. A person who is pursuing the yogic path has to win over these kleshas. So set aside the kleshas. Then only he will get full result in yogic practice. Since Pancha Klesha may be termed as an avidya tree. I compare it to a tree. It's a tree. The Pancha Kleshas are avidya, asmida, raga, dvesha and abhinivesha. These are the 5 kleshas. But the root cause of all the other four kleshas are only avidya. Avidya means lack of knowledge, that is ignorance. Vidya, knowledge, avidya, no knowledge, ignorance. So how this ignorance comes? This comes because of anava, ahangara. Ahangara is the soul's. From that likes and dislikes comes, everything comes and is a source of karma. So the source for avidya, ignorance is anava, that stands for darkness, ignorance. So when a person is having anava or ahangara, then his brain and mind cannot perceive things as it is, as they are. They will confuse between Prakriti and Purusha, Prakriti and God. They will confuse between their own self and other things. They will confuse between what is temporary and what is permanent. They will confuse between pleasure and pain. They will think that something is pleasure, that will lead to pain later stage. They will not find it out. They will think something as permanent, which is temporary. So these are the fundamental avidya which puts forth. From this grows other kleshas, asmida, raga, dvesha and abhinivesha. Then what is asmida? Asmida, these are the 4 branches. So avidya is a root and stem, and there are 4 branches. So only if you root out this avidya, then only all the kleshas will go. If you cut one branch, it will grow with further folds. If you cut any other branch, it will again come up because the source is there. The source of this is here and the root is there. This is the root cause, avidya. So it may be this picture may be termed as avidya tree, because this is a root and trunk. Avidya is a root and trunk, and the 4 others are branches. If you cut any one branch, it will grow again. So if you root out avidya, then only this will be removed. The 5 kleshas will be removed altogether. So asmida is egotism. Ego. So ego is the cause for all kinds of problems. So only when one is egoistic, his observation of things, man and matters will be distorted. He will have a wrong identification of himself. He will identify his body as his real self. And he will see whatever he sees as reality. The Maya will be real to him. He cannot distinguish what is Maya and what is reality. He cannot distinguish between illusion and reality. So this is asmida, this is one branch of that avidya tree. Avidya is a source and one branch is this egotism. But then next one is raga. Raga means like, and this causes attachment. Because of this ignorance, two things grow up. One is like, one is dislike. Like causes attachment, and dislike causes hatred. When somebody likes someone or something, he is attached to it. He becomes attached to it, and sometimes he becomes addicted to it also. So that is a liking. That is also because of this ignorance. That is also a distortion. That will cause you to do more karmas, more actions. So, due to this likeness, happiness may come, and that will be temporary. So, the permanent happiness will come only when you do away with this raga, these likes and dislikes. Likes. So, the other thing is dvesa means dislike, just opposite of like. Just liking something is ignorance. In the same way, disliking also ignorance. There is no ground to dislike anything or anyone. Things are going on as it is. Your observation only makes it like or dislike. It may differ from one person to another. One person may like something, same thing another person may dislike. So the object of like for one person may be an object of hatred for another person. So the difference is the like or dislike is in the mind of the observer, not on the object or person. The object is one and the same. One person likes it, and it is from his mind it projects. And another person dislikes, that is also a projection of his mind. So both are equally ignorance. Both one has to avoid. One has to keep equanimity of mind. The yogi or jnani should always stand in equilibrium to all the things, man and matters around him. He should not have attachment or detach and this dislike. To avoid this like and dislike is detachment. Detachment means that you are not attached to anything, you don't hate anything. That is detachment. Attachment is there due to raga, it comes. Hatred is due to dvesa. Detachment, no likes and dislikes. This is not just opposite of like, attachment. It is where detachment means neither attached nor hatred, love or hatred, like or dislikes. That is called detachment. If you do anything with the detachment, this will not be regarded as a karma. And the next one is abhinivesha, the fear, inset fear for death. There are some inset fear for persons. One may be courageous in different occasions, but the fear of death, there's a bhava bhayam, it is called. That will linger in his mind, because one day or other he has to leave this body and leave this planet and leave his kith and kin. That fear is also inset in everyone. Only a yogi or jnani will overcome it. Only a yogi or jnani will overcome it. The fear of death will not be there. He will know that Atma is permanent. Atma can be turned into Shiva. By practice of Shiva Yoga, the Atma will slowly be made into Shiva. So Jiva will become Shiva. So he will not fear about death. He will look beyond death. Because actually a yogi or jnani lives beyond death. The death is only temporal. The Atma is a permanent, just like Shiva. So, when he is perfect in yoga and jnana marga, he will become one with Shiva. He will merge with the higher self, higher consciousness. So, at that stage, he will overcome the fear of death. So, these are all the 5 kleshas, but one is the base Avidya is the base, and from that sprouts these four branches, which are this egotism. One is like, one is dislike, one is fear, inside fear. So all these, if you remove avidya, then only these all will be removed. You cannot remove one. If you remove one, again it will sprout. If you root out avidya from you, then only all the five will go together. You cannot remove one at a time. The total, if you remove avidya, ignorance, that if you become enlightened, then only all these kleshas will go and your mind will be crystal clear and you will enjoy Sachidananda, the bliss absolute. All my trainings lead to this result. There is Shiva Yogas in different forms, Vasi Yoga, Kayakalpa Yoga, Amridharana, Chandra Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, all these lead to this stage. Those who are need to learn, contact me. My online courses are going on every month, every 10th or 20th. The class will be there at 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Those who are interested, contact me. Thank you.